This is where we left off in our last video. We are creating a brushless DC motor, and this is a rotor of the motor. And in last video we created this slot and this hole which will hold a screw to hold a shaft that will go through this hole here. And in this video I'll show you how to create some magnets along the inner surface of the rotor so it can perform its basic function. So right plane, right mouse click and show, and go to reference geometry. We are creating a new plane, and I will click on this inner surface and I will click OK. So we have created a new plane called plane 9. Go to front plane, show, and create a section and click OK. So I will hide this plane and I will also hide this plane. Control 1 to see the inner side of this section view that we have created, and select plane, the newly created plane, which is plane 9 in our case, and go to sketch, line, center line, and I want to create a center line from the middle of this surface. Click and click. Exit by pressing escape key, and I want to create a center rectangle from the middle of this newly created line. Click and drag outside. Click again, right mouse click, smart dimensions. This line has to be 9 millimeters and this line has to be 6 millimeters. OK, and click OK. So we have created a sketch, and select sketch 14. This is sketch 14, and go to features, extruded base and boss, and we want to extrude it up to 2 millimeters. Click OK and exit out of the section view. Right mouse click on plane 9 and hide. So we have created a magnet along the inner surface of the rotor, and this magnet is called boss extrude 4. I want to change this name, so left click, wait for a few seconds and left click again, and magnet. So this extruded feature is now called magnet. Select this object, go to linear pattern, drop down circular pattern, and click on any circular surface, and we are making 12 copies of it. 360-degree rotation. Click OK, and the 12 magnets have been created along the inner surface of the rotor. We'll change the appearance, and metal and iron and black material on these surfaces, and we want to apply the same material to the original one. Okay, so this is for today, and I'll see you in the next lesson.